Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Alright, I'm gonna try as much as I can to be making videos every day from now to the end of the year. Yep, that it's gonna take a lot of energy and time, right? But so help me God. Yep. So let's see how it goes every day within the next 365 days. Well, for those of you that are just joining the channel, please do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so others can get to see it, right? So each and every day we'll be giving out crypto news, blockchain news, possible ways to make money with cryptocurrency and blockchain. A perfect example is this video right here. Was published on the oh, let me close my WhatsApp and Telegram so I don't keep getting messages. Okay, this video was published in February, on the 10th of February 2021. So let's look at the chart and see what's the name of the coin is Solana, right? Let's go to and check Solana. What was the price? February. So this is Solana. See the name right here. So February 10th 2021. So this is 2021. That's January. So February 10th, it's somewhere around here. Okay, on the 10th of February 2021, right, the price of one Solana was $9, less than $10 per coin. Guess what the price is today? The price is $176. $176 per coin. And if you had bought it when it was $9, you would have had like at least 20 Solana. You see? What am I saying? What am I even saying? What I'm trying to say is that Solana has grown by 20x already between when I made the video and now. So you don't want to lose opportunities like this, right? So we have a private group, right, where we tell people which coins to buy. And of course, it's a paid group. It goes for just $100 per year. $100 per year. If you had $1 million invested into this coin, as at early this year, you would have made at least $20 million. Yep, within 1 year, without trading. You just bought the coin and leave it. So the question is, what are the next coins that could come up? Right, so you want to get those information, you join our private group. It's actually $100 per year, and then we'll give you these different cryptocurrencies to buy. You just buy them. We'll tell you what to do, how to make money with crypto, right? Trading for many years has given us several experience. We've seen the good, the bad, the ugly. We've seen the how good the market can be and how bad it can be. We've made money and we've lost money, so we have experience of both sides. Right, so if you want to learn how to trade, please do make sure you check our trading course, which is in the description of this video, and get registered with our affiliate link. That's how you can support this channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be getting news and updates. Anyways, let's go on to the news. More billionaires turning to crypto on fiat inflation fears. Just in case you've been under the rock, right? You don't know what fiat is. Fiat is just the normal paper money that we'll be using all this while, right? This news says more billionaires are turning to crypto on fiat inflation. So if fiat inflation is just means the value of fiat paper money is reducing by the day, right? And billionaires around the world are turning into cryptocurrency because the reason why fiat is reducing value is because the government controls fiat. And they've not been doing a good job over the years. All right. So let's go to some other exciting news about a country that I love so much, El Salvador. Now, President Bukele, who is the president of El Salvador, predicts Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000 per coin. Now, El Salvador is the first country in the entire world that made Bitcoin a legal tender. Yep, search the news, you will see it. Right, and he has been buying Bitcoin. I think is it on the 21st of December he actually bought 21 Bitcoin, right? So it's either he ends up being a loser or he ends up being rich, or the country ends up being rich because they've amassed large number of Bitcoin. Right, so that is the El Salvador news, and predicting he's going to hit $100,000 per coin. I believe it's going to hit about $200,000 to $300,000, but let's just be nice. To some other news about a club. It says Bored Ape, Mutant Ape, Yacht Club NFT sales skyrocket, floor prices have spiked more than 40%. Yeah, too much grammar in that line. So what this essentially means is that there are tons of companies out there, right, that are buying Bored Apes. What are Bored Apes? You might be wondering, okay, what's Bored Ape? This cartoon character you're seeing here, people are spending thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, right, to buy this stuff you're seeing here. Right, don't even dare to start typing in my in the comment section asking, what are they buying it for? What do they need it for? What is it used for? I have absolutely no idea. Right. For now, right, knowledge is progressive, right? Maybe it's because I'm not into arts, right? I don't know how to draw. I don't know much about art, so I don't find this really interesting. But people are spending millions on it, and of course, it's their money. Right, you can use your money for whatsoever you want. In the next news, Bitcoin will be legal tender in 2 more countries. This is coming from also the president of El Salvador, right? He's just predicting the future, and I believe it's going to be so, because cryptocurrency is here to stay. The government around the world, they've tried to stop it, right? They've tried their possible best. They've brought in ban. They've called Bitcoin several names, call it rat poison, they call it a scam, but Bitcoin is still here, right? So I believe in what he's saying. All right, Wharton's professor warns about inflation, predicts many rate hikes, says Bitcoin has replaced gold for millennials. Anyone who doesn't know this up until this moment or period of time is probably heading for the rocks, because Bitcoin is a new gold, and Bitcoin is going to replace gold. And just in case you've not watched our video, we did a video explaining why Bitcoin, right, why Bitcoin will replace gold, and we gave several reasons. You might see the video popping up at the top right or left corner of this particular video. Right, make sure you watch that video. Bitcoin is going to replace gold, and by the time that is done, Bitcoin is going to hit about $500,000 per coin. Right. Moving on to Ray Dalio news. Ray Dalio is one of the wealthiest people in the world. Anyways, here's the news: billionaire Ray Dalio insists government could outlaw Bitcoin. Right, and whenever I see news like this, it's not the first time that the government is trying to want to put a law to ban cryptocurrency. We've seen that happen in different countries, most especially in Nigeria, where I'm from, right, and some other countries like India. So what they do is they ban, and the reason why they say they will ban, rather, and the reasons why they say this is because they want the prices to go down so they can buy the low prices, and then when the prices are up, they tell you the price is up, and then they won't tell you the price is up. They'll tell you, okay, it's okay to go into it, but we know their game. All right, some more Bored Ape news. Eminem purchases Bored Ape Yacht Club 9055 for $452,000. Yep, he bought this for this amount. I'm not going to spend much time talking about this. Like I said, I don't do much of arts, but people are making money from it. If you have someone that is into art, someone that relates to arts generally, whether it's they should just check out NFT. I don't have a course on NFT, but I have some guides that I can put them across to understand what NFT is. So some more exciting news about Samsung. Now, Samsung as a company, right, has gone into crypto and blockchain, and this time they've gone into the NFT world. So what Samsung have decided to do is that the newest set of television, right? I know my screen is blank. Yes, I'm aware. It's loading. I just have read the article, and for some reason it's not loading. So I'll just try that again. Hold on. All right, so this is the news. Samsung announces NFT platform for smart TVs. Upcoming Samsung smart TVs will have a built-in platform where users can browse, buy, and sell NFTs. Guys, can you see where this world is going into? South Korean tech giants revealed a new smart TV lineup with an integrated non-fungible token. That's what NFT means. Samsung's 2022 smart TVs, such as micro LED, this is going to make their sales skyrocket, right? I don't know the blockchain. I don't know if they mentioned the blockchain. This will be done on, but that is the news. Yep, they're gonna make a lot of sales, and I wonder if someone can actually upgrade their old smart TV to have this feature. Anyways, moving on, let's check out the top 3 coins to watch out this week. Lightblocks is bringing us this news. Market Watch, top 3 cryptocurrencies to watch this week. Obviously, Bitcoin, which is a part of the market. Which other one? FTM has been doing exceptionally well, and then Lunar doing exceptionally well also, right? And of course, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies without registering, right, you can just put the amount of cryptocurrency you want to exchange. Let's say you want to exchange 12 BTC. You click exchange right here, and you put the address you want to send the Bitcoin to, and boom, you're good to go. All right, guys, to some other news. Oh, hold on, I saw some. Oh yeah, to some other news. Our president's book. Okay, already read this news. How he predicted Bitcoin is going to get to $100,000. All right, guys, that's all we have for you today. If you want to learn how to trade, please do make sure you check up our academy, and we'll show you everything you need to know about trading, how to make money with cryptocurrency, how to watch the market, how to set your buy orders, your take profits, and your stop loss and all, right? And we have a secret group where you can join, and we have a special VIP groups where we tell you which cryptocurrencies to buy. All right, if you find this video really interesting, please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. See ya.